Welcome to my channel Soft Skills Smart Analytics. In my previous video, I showed how customs domain knowledge combined with IT expertise can outsmart gold smugglers. Today, I am taking that idea further. I'll show you how interagency digital data comparison using a simple soft tech tool already within your reach can help uncover crime that costs the global economy billions of dollars every year, yet hides the plain sight. We are talking about trade based money laundering, TBML. How do you catch a crime that looks exactly normal business? That is the core challenge of TBML. Criminals exploit routine shipments and ordinary payments, making legal activity blend seamlessly into legitimate trade. And here is the clever part. Often, no single transaction breaks the rules. Instead, the weakness lies in how your systems are built. We don't lack data. We are overwhelmed by it. The real problem is that the data lives in silos. Customs has shipping documents and declarations, bank have payment and financial data, and most of the time these systems do not talk to each other. Look at the customs data alone. It is a valid export. Look at the banking data alone. It's a valid payment. No alarms because you are only seeing half of the story. This is where human expertise matters most. Before any AI and analytics, you need domain knowledge. An algorithm can flag numbers, but it doesn't know what makes commercial sense. An experienced analyst does. They know what normal looks like. And once you know that, the anomalies stand out immediately. So we have the insight, we have the data. The question is, how do we connect these silos? And the answer isn't an expensive AI platform, it's Excel, specifically Power Query, already built into Excel. It's a no code, menu driven, and incredibly powerful. By pulling customs and banking data together, standardizing key fields, and merging them, Power Query exposes mismatches in minutes instead of weeks. It becomes the bridge connecting systems, amplifying human judgment, and revealing the TBML risks that were always there, just unseen. Let's see how. This is the dataset that we have of a risky concern we have identified. And this is the one that the bank dashboard generated for the same concern. And we will analyze and match these data by doing some cleaning up operation with Power Query in minutes. We click on data from table and range. We have got the Power Query editor now. Name it as customs. And the only issue that I could find was the existence of nulls here, and otherwise it seems perfectly okay. Now, to standardize the exp number that we are interested in, we have some extra date inserted in the exp number in the custom system. We have to clean it by splitting column. I want it as right most as possible, this space here, and then we click OK, and there is a matching exp customs as it is in the bank dashboard. Now we close and load. Only create connection. In similar fashion, we go to the bank data and do the same thing. From table and range, we select, we leave it as bank, and I don't see any or cleaning issues except the exp number. It doesn't seem to be a plain number, so we have to do some text transformation and clean it, and it looks okay. Close and load to create connection only and press OK. Now that we have got two data for connections, we now go to merge column, then move to the exp that we have customized for this merger, and also bank data on same exp. Now we have got to find out those that exist in the first but not in the second. In other words, this is the money laundered amount. The launderer has passed through the customs control, but there are some exp numbers that does not exist in the banking data. So if you place click, it gives all in one go. Now load, and that gives you the money laundering amount. If you look at this value, then it gives a staggering 13 million and 206,000 US dollar money laundering from a single company. And that actually is a very alarming trend that we can detect in just by clicking, mapping through thousands of data.